Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Umtinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 7 in civics, and the topic is urban administration. In this chapter, we will study about city life and about the management of city. What is a municipal corporation? What are ward councillor or ward members? So now come to the chapter. This chapter has been started from a short story. In this story, some children are playing cricket in their leisure time, in their lane, and what happened, first of all, try to know. But do you know? A city is much bigger than a village. Yes, a city is much bigger than a village and more spread out. It means village is not so bigger or spread out as a city is bigger or spread out. A city has crowded markets, many buses and cars, water and electricity facilities, traffic control, and hospitals can be seen in a city. Have you ever wondered who is responsible? Who is responsible for running all this in a city? Do you know who takes decision? Or on which decision these facilities are made? Yes. And how the plan is done in a city, all these things we will study today in this chapter. So first of all, we come to know a short story. One day, it was the holy day of Sunday, and in afternoon time, Mala and her friend Shankar, Jahangir and Rehana were playing a game of cricket together in their street. And Shankar had bowled a good over, and although he nearly managed to get Rehana out. So like this, when she was still batting, frustrated, a short ball and hopped, she would hit it for an easy catch. But instead, Rehana hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Now he was very screamed, "Oh no!" And saying this, he blamed herself that she has broken the street light. So Shankar said, yes, we should make a rule for playing this. But Mala, Jahangir and Rehana were more worried about what happened, and they told Shankar he had better stop thinking about the wicket. So this was the condition during the game, that the street light was broken by them, and now they want to know who is responsible to make this light. So like this was the question in their mind. So they reached to Rehana's house and they ran and told her mother what had happened. Rehana's mother said her that she doesn't know really these things in great detail, but she does know that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. It means Now we are going to study about municipal corporation that works in a city to manage electricity, to manage health center, to manage schools, and all kinds of necessary things are managed by municipal corporation. So the best person to ask would be Yasmin Khala. Now this is the character that's name is Yasmin Khala. Yasmin Khala was that lady just retired from municipal corporation. So they go to her and ask her, Yasmin Khala, who used to live in the same lane and the same Rehana's mother, and she and Rehana's mother were good friends. So the children ran to Khala's house, and when she opened the door, they began to ask her and tell her about what had happened. What they asked when they asked about the street light, Yasmin Khala said that there is no person that can be paid money for it. So, because it was a big organization that is called the municipal corporation. It means municipal corporation is that corporation which takes care of street lights, garbage collection, water supply, keeping the streets and the market clean. So these are the important duties of municipal corporation: to take care of street lights, garbage collections, water supply, keeping the street light and the market clean. According to Yasmin Khala, Yasmin Khala says that he has heard about the municipal corporation and they have put up sign around the city to inform people about malaria. Who said this? Mala said this. And Yasmin Khala replied, yes, she is quite right. It means now, today we are going to know about municipal corporation. What is municipal corporation? Come to the chapter. The municipal corporation is that corporation which is also responsible for ensuring that diseases do not break out in the city. It means the municipal corporation not only takes care of street lights, garbage collections, water supply, keeping the streets and the market clean, but it is the also important duty of municipal corporation to ensure diseases do not break out in the city. It also runs schools, hospitals and dispensaries and makes gardens and maintains them. These are the important works of municipal corporation in a city, because the people of city always depends for their needs of these things on municipal corporation. So municipal corporation is responsible for its work in a city. So now we have studied about this. Like this, in middle view, Yasmin Khala said that her city Pune is also a big city. It means Yasmin Khala, who belongs to the city Pune, she tells about her city that she belongs to Pune city, and this Pune city is a big city, and so here it is called a municipal corporation. It means a big city where municipal corporation is available, that is called the municipal corporation, and in a smaller towns it is called a municipal council. It means in a big city municipal is called municipal corporation, and in a small town it is called municipal council. Now in other video I will discuss about ward councillor and administrative staffs also. Thank you. Have a nice day.